Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Thinking about saving for retirement? A Roth IRA is a fantastic place to begin, especially if you're new to investing. You contribute money that you've already paid taxes on, and then here's the best part. All your earnings and withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free. It's truly a powerful tool for building long-term wealth, giving your money the freedom to grow without future tax burdens. A Roth IRA offers incredible advantages, particularly for younger individuals. The tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement can save you a substantial amount of money over the years. Plus, there's a unique flexibility. You can actually withdraw your original contributions at any time without penalty, which can be reassuring. And unlike some other retirement accounts, you won't be forced to take money out when you reach a certain age, giving you more control. When it's time to choose where to open your Roth IRA, think about a few key things. You'll want to find providers with really low fees because those can eat into your returns over time. It's also smart to pick a platform that offers a broad selection of investment options, so you can diversify your portfolio. And definitely look for a brokerage that's easy to use and provides helpful educational materials, making your investing journey much smoother. When choosing a Roth IRA provider, a few stand out for beginners. Fidelity, for example, offers fantastic low-cost index funds and great support. Vanguard is another excellent choice, well known for its incredibly low-cost, broad market ETFs and mutual funds, really making investing accessible. And Charles Schwab also provides a comprehensive platform with a good variety of investment options and helpful resources for getting started. These three are often top picks for good reason. Opening your Roth IRA is easier than you might think. Most online brokerages allow you to set one up in just a few minutes. Once it's open, make it a habit to contribute regularly, even if it's just a small amount to begin with. The most powerful aspect of investing is consistency, allowing your money to grow through the magic of compounding over the long term. Start today and build a secure financial future for yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.